dehydrated tomatoes, pasta, shrimp, all tossed in a rich and velvety sauce. This pasta is absolutely delicious, it's very easy to make, and it's ready in under 5 minutes. So what are you waiting for? So we're going to use some shrimp oil. I have another video on how to make this. It's absolutely packed with roasted shrimp flavor. Hot pan, we're going to throw in our dehydrated tomatoes. These are not your typical dried tomatoes. We've removed a little bit of the moisture and concentrated the flavor. Pasta in, make sure you add salt. So we're going to turn the heat way down. Now we're going to saute the pasta, and that pasta is going to absorb all of that delicious flavor that's in the pan. So after about 30 seconds, throw in some butter. We're going to let that melt just a little bit, and now we're going to throw in some cooked shrimp. You can also use raw shrimp, simply add it at the same time as the tomatoes. So now we're going to add a tiny bit of the pasta water, and the butter, the shrimp oil, the little bit of starch left in the pasta water will all emulsify into one rich, creamy, thick sauce. This emulsion will coat the pasta perfectly, and this is what we're looking for. Tongs ladle, twist the pasta into a nice shape, and we're going to plate it. And now we're going to spoon on the rest of the garnish. This pasta is not swimming in sauce, but every element in this dish is glazed with a rich, creamy, sweet, roasted tomato and shrimp flavor. Once we have arranged all the garnish on top of the pasta, make sure to spoon on a leftover sauce from the pan, and then right before we serve, we're just going to top this with some herbs, and just a tiny bit more of that shrimp oil. So this pasta will work with any other crustacean you want to use. Lobster, langoustines, prawns, crab are all excellent options. Just keep in mind it's better to use the same type of crustacean for the oil and for the garnish, and you will have a great result every time. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, put them below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you enjoy our content, consider supporting us on Patreon. The link is below. Happy cooking!